Hello seafarers, welcome back to Sailor Rider. If your INDOS photo is outdated or DG has rejected your profile, this video will save your time. Today I'll show you the complete step-by-step process to update your photo and signature in DG Shipping Digi Profile the correct way. Let's start. Step 1. Open browser. First important thing, open Mozilla Firefox browser. Do not use Chrome. Firefox works more smoothly for this DG shipping process. Now type in the search bar INDOS photo update. Open the first official DG shipping link. If you are not able to find it, don't worry. I have provided the direct link in the description below. Step 2. Login to DG shipping portal. Once the page opens, click on the CAS page as shown on the screen. Sometimes it may show a security warning. Do not worry. This is normal for the DG shipping website. Just click accept the risk and continue. Now you will see the login page. Enter your username, password, then click login. A new window will open. On the top bar, you will find change INDOS profile photo. Click on it. Step 3. Check guidelines before upload. In this window, you will see the official DG guidelines for uploading photo and signature. Click and read the details carefully. Now go back to the previous page. To change photo, click on Browse on the left side. Select your photo and upload. Important photo requirements. Your photo must have white background, 70% face clearly visible, formal shirt, clear quality image, JPG or JPEG format only. If you don't follow these guidelines, your application may get rejected. Step 4. Live verification. After uploading the main photo, you must start your webcam, take a live picture, complete face verification. Make sure lighting is proper and your face is clearly visible. Step 5. Upload 3 additional live photos. After verification, click Next. Now you need to capture and upload 3 additional live photos one by one. Just start webcam to capture, to upload, to repeat. Make sure photos are clear and not blurred. Step 6. Upload passport first page. Next step, upload your passport first page. Important, only first page required. JPG format, clear scanned copy. Upload and click Verify passport. Final step, approval time. That's it. Now you just need to wait. Usually within 24 hours, your application gets approved. You'll receive confirmation once it is completed. If this video helped you, share it with your batchmates or crew friends. Many seafarers get confused in this process, so forward this video to help them. For more Merchant Navy updates, practical guides, and real sea life content, subscribe to Sailor Rider. See you in the next one. Stay safe, sail smart.